Namaste Gurukulians. Hope you all are fine at home. So in our previous lecture, we have studied about the movements of the different animals. We have studied about how the movements that is done in snake, okay, how the movements that is done in the birds, fish. So in this way we have studied how the movements that you can see in the different type of animals. Today we will discuss about the movement in human beings. थोड़ा सा हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था. Today we will discuss in detail movement in human beings. Okay. So we know that and we have discussed about that is the movement in human beings that is done by our legs. How we can be moved from the one place to another place, that is with the help of with our legs. Actually there are two things are there, the locomotion and the movement. अगर हम बात करें movement की, if I am picking up this chalk, there is a movement of my hand. So this is also called the movement. But when I am moving from the one place to the another place, okay, what happens? My whole body that is moved from the one place to another place. So there are two words to differentiate that one, locomotion and the movement. One is movement and second one is the locomotion. Locomotion word we are using whenever the whole body that move from the one place to the another place, and movement that can also be used for our hand if we are standing in a one place. अगर हम एक जगह पे खड़े हैं, we are moving our neck or head, okay? So that is also called the movement. If I am taking something, I am lifting, I am standing only here, then that is called the movement of our hand, okay? Movement of my eyes. So that word, whenever there is a particular organ that show their movement, that is called the movement. And whenever the whole organism that move from the one place to another place, so we are using the locomotion. So that is the difference between the movement and the locomotion. So today we will discuss about how the movement that is take place in human beings. Have you seen this one before? In your lab, you have seen in every biology lab, you will see this one. This is called the skeleton of the human beings. This is called the skeleton of the human beings. This is help in the movement of the human beings very well. ये skeletal system जो होता है, that help in the movement in the human beings. It is made up of the bones. You will see this is a white color and bones that is made up of the calcium and the phosphorus. So the whole skeleton that is made up of the different type of the bones. So today we will study about the skeleton of human beings. Okay. So what is a skeleton? How can we define as? That is the framework of bone. Framework of bone called skeleton. It is made up of bone, cartilages, and also there is a grip. इसको किस चीज ने पकड़ा होता है? There is a grip of the muscles also. Muscles also attached with this bony structure. So first we will study it is what is the function of the skeleton. What happens if skeleton is not present in human body? अगर हमारी body में ये skeleton नहीं होगा, then what happens? We are not be provided the shape and the structure. The shape and the structure is due to this hard part. You can also feel if you touch your body, your your hand, okay, there is a some hard part inside it. Soft part that is made up of the muscles. There is a muscles and the tissues. And the hard part, that is bony part, is which is made up of the bones, that is called the skeleton. So what is the function of the skeleton? The first one, it provides the shape and the support to our body. हमारी बॉडी को सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करता है, ठीक है, शेप प्रोवाइड करता है. इफ इट इज नॉट बी प्रेजेंट तो हमारी बॉडी जो होगी वो पर्टिकुलर शेप नहीं होगी. जैसे अमीबा का स्ट्रक्चर होता है, इरेगुलर शेप होगी, तो हमारी कोई शेप नहीं होगी. वी आर नॉट बी, कभी हम यहाँ गिर जाएंगे, मे बी दैट इज अ एक पॉलिथीन होता है ना, दैट कैन बी मूव हियर एंड देयर. लाइट तो नहीं होगी, बट वी आर फॉलिंग एवरीवेयर. वी कैन नॉट बी सिट प्रॉपर्ली, वी कैन नॉट बी स्टैंड प्रॉपर्ली. ओके, सो इट इज provide a shape and the support to our body. Second one, another function, it also help to save our internal organ. Okay, it you can say prevent any external injury. It also provide protection, also protect to our internal organ. अब internal organ क्या होते हैं? For example, this is the first part of a skeletal system. It is called the skull. Okay, इस skull के अंदर क्या आता है? The brain is present inside. तो ये जो हमारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन होता है, ब्रेन को प्रोटेक्ट करता है, ताकि अगर हमें कभी चोट लग जाए, कभी हमारा सिर कहीं पे टकरा जाता है, तो ब्रेन जो होता है दैट इज प्रोटेक्टेड ड्यू टू दिस स्कल. प्रोटेक्ट एंड दिस आर द रिब्स, सो दिस कैन बी प्रोटेक्ट लंग्स, हार्ट, सो दैट कैन बी प्रोटेक्टेड इनसाइड. ओके, सो इट प्रोवाइड also help to it also give the shape to our structure, provide the strength, support to our body, and also protect our internal organ. So that's why the skeleton in our body, they play very important role. So how many parts we will study? The different parts of this skeleton system of human being. We will study about the 4 parts of our skeleton. The first is that is called the skull. Second one is rib cage. Third one, we will study about the backbone. And fourth, we will study about the limb. याद है आपको? In our previous lecture, I told you about the limbs. Okay, there are 2 type of limbs, that is forelimb and the hind limbs. So first we will discuss about the skull. सबसे पहले जो हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, that is about the skull. Now, see this part is called the skull of the human skeleton. Inside it, brain is present there. इसके अंदर जो होता है, brain is present there. Okay, this is called the eye socket is there. This is called the eye socket is there, and these are the 2 jaw which is present in the skull. It is made up of 22 bones. कितनी bones होती है? 22 bones combinedly they make. 22 bones मिलके एक skull को बनाती है. So it is made up of the 22 bones. There are the 2 eye socket is there. The second thing in the skull, the upper movement, the upper jaw. This is called the upper, and this one is called the lower jaw. Okay. So this lower jaw that can show the movement. Okay, that is flexible. Only the lower jaw. Upper jaw that doesn't show any movement, that is not flexible. Only the lower jaw that show the flexibility, that is movable. वो move कर सकता है. हम नीचे वाले को ऐसे move कर सकते हैं, ऊपर वाले को move नहीं कर सकते. So this is the part of the skull. The second one which we will study about, that is a rib cage. Now what is the rib cage? This part, this one. Have you seen the different type of the bones are there? Okay. So there are, this is called the rib cage. It is attached from the front side. That is attached with the bone which is called the sternum. That is called the sternum. And it is have a 12 pair of bones. There is a 12 this side होंगे, 12 this side होंगे, total 24. So how many? In the rib cage, there is a 12 pair of bones are present there. At the front, this bone is called the sternum. Sternum. Sternum is this one. From the front side, आगे से, from the front side, these bones are connected with the sternum. And if we are talking about the back side, you will see the back side, it is attached with the backbone. This is the backbone. तो ये backbone के साथ जो होते हैं वो attach होते हैं. Okay? The next thing is the last two bones that is not joined with the sternum. The last two bones that is not be joined with the sternum. ये बीच वाली center वाली bones से join नहीं होते हैं. So that's why it is called the floating ribs. It is the last two bones that is called the floating ribs. Now why it is called the floating rib? हम इसको floating rib क्यों बोलते हैं? Because it is not attached with the sternum. So this is the second part of the skeleton which is called the rib cage. Now the third one which is called the backbone. The third part of a skeleton is backbone. Backbone have a ring-like structure, ring-like bones are present there. So there are 33 bones are there. Ring bone बोल सकते हैं हम. Ring bones are present there. You can see. I will show you. The back side of our skeletal system. This is called the backbone of the human skeleton. So it have a ring-like bones. ये जो हैं, these are the ring-like bones that can show the movement. So that's why we can be move like this. We can say हमारी movements जो होती है, it can be shown. And the ribs that can be joined with the backbone. Okay. There is a spine is present. Spines means whichever there is a spine cord is present. So it can be protect. जो हमारी backbone होती है, that can protect the spinal cord also. And there is a ring-like structure. These are the 33 rings are present in a backbone. So it can show the movement. So that's why it is also we called the vertebrae. Vertebrae. This is called the vertebrae. And the complete backbone is called the vertebrae column. Okay, this is only that these rings are called the vertebrates, and these complete backbone is called the, what we call it, vertebrae column. So this is the backbone of the human skeleton system, and there is inside it there is a spinal cord is there, which is attached with the each and every organs of our body, and each protect this backbone protect. It can be, it is a long one. It is up to the our pelvic two bones are present here. And this is the structure of our hand. The next one, if we are talking about our hind limbs, this is also we call the femur. Okay, this is the longest bone in the human skeletal system. It is also called the thigh bones. The longest bone of the human skeleton is also called the thigh bone. Okay. So, these are the 4 parts of the human skeleton system. Hope you will understood well. So, go through the chapter, read the chapter. The next part, that is the joint, different type of a joint in human beings, we will study in the next chapter. So, up to that, thank you. Have a nice day. Namaste.